Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn one more concept in React is called portals. So what is portals? Actually, if you know React, so you know that in React we have index.html file. In this file, we write all the code within this div tag id root. If I run any program, I show you that if I create a one component like this, and in this component I just take one property, I say name, Dr. Vipin classes, and I display this here as a div tag. Just I pass this, and here I use this dot state dot name like this, and we save this, and here I give the name portals component. Same I copy and pass here as export. So we save this, and here I import this portal like this, portals component. Save this. You see it's running, and if you see the output, we have this output, simple name, nothing is special. But if you will see that this component by default comes under the body tag, and we have here root tag. So inside this root tag we have a div, under div we have another div, then we have this, you see. So this one is here, this root is here, this root is here, under this we have app, then we have div and this. So if I remove this div, for example from this, if I remove this div because it's a single value, doesn't require div, and I save this, so you will see that it will change this hierarchy, and now directly under the app we have this, we do not have a div, but all the data comes automatically under this root. Okay, but sometime in React we required to display the component or add the component outside of this root. So how we can do this? This is a technique called portal. Now what does this mean? This mean is, if suppose I create a div id, one more div id here, and I say here that the id is portals. Okay, remember this is portals. So this is a second root that is not under root, it is outside a root. Name is portal, you can give any name, whatever you want. Now I go there, by default it return to the portal, to the root. If you see here we have two root now, root and portal, but by default the data is displaying here under the root, but I want to display under this portal. That is the concept of portals. So how we can do? For that what I need React DOM. So I say imrd means I need DOM here, and when I am returning this value, here I say React DOM dot create portal. Remember we have function create portal. In this function we need to pass two parameter. First parameter is this, the root element which we want to display. Second parameter is the id in which we want to display, that is document dot get element by id, and if you remember this id is portals. Remember this id is portal. What is the id? Portals. What is the id? Portals, that I given here. You see, now if I see the output, nothing is changed, but in the root we do not have that particular text, that text we have here in this portal. Remember that this app is under the root, but this is different in the portal. And you see, the earlier it was in the center of the screen, now it is not in the center because it is not coming under the root and under the app, this app. Because of this it was in the center. Directly this h1 which I rendered here, this tag is coming, and if I want to put into the center, I have to put style here, and I say text alignment center, like this. We put this, and if we see, we will have in the center, and now we have this also, text alignment, this setting is also coming under the portal. Remember this. Now question rise, what is the use of this portal? You see that in root, here we are using this class name app. Because of this class, the component which we add under this div tag, that automatically goes to the center. But sometime we want to bypass all the CSS rule and we want to display the component outside of the some CSS, and we want to set some different CSS for those. So that's why you see I just put here different CSS under this, and we are outside of this root, we are in different root. Here we can put different CSS that is not depend on root, that is different, it's different one. Okay, you see, it is different one. So that is the use of portal. It's a very simple concept. If you want to display your data in other root ID, just you have to use React DOM and create portal function for doing that. That's all in this video. If you really like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.